Compute the derivative of the arctangent of the square root of x. Let's start by prepping this function. This is the arctangent of, don't forget the parentheses, x to the 1/2, getting rid of those radicals. So this is just a basic chain rule problem. The derivative of arctangent to blank is 1 over 1 plus blank squared times the derivative of blank. The blank in this case is x to the 1/2, and its derivative is 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. So now all we need to do is clean this up. So let's see, this is 1/2, we have an x to the minus 1/2 in the numerator, and a 1 plus x to the 1/2 squared, which is just x, in the denominator. Of course, since we have already got a bunch of denominators, let's just bring that top guy down. So we have 1 over 2 times x to the 1/2 times the quantity 1 plus x. And so there's our derivative.